In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to a file in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to place a convenient pointer to a shared file right inside your own folders without making copies or using extra storage. This is perfect for keeping important shared documents where you'll actually see and use them. Start by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. Think of this as your home base, the place where your folders, projects, and personal files live. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the shared file you want to organize. Next, look on the left-hand sidebar and click Shared with Me. This area lists files and folders others have shared with you. Items here don't automatically appear in your My Drive because you don't own them, which is exactly why shortcuts are helpful. A shortcut gives you quick access in your own structure while the original stays with its owner. Find the file you want, select it, and open its options by clicking the three dots, also called More Actions. This menu is where Google Drive tucks away most organizational tools for items you didn't create. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted the correct file, especially if there are multiple versions with similar names. Choose Organize from the menu. This tells Drive that you want to place a reference to the file somewhere that makes sense for your workflow. It's important to note that you're not moving or copying the original here. You're simply preparing to add a shortcut. Click Add Shortcut. Shortcuts are lightweight pointers that don't take up your storage and always reflect the latest version of the original file. If the owner updates or replaces the content, your shortcut takes you to that current version automatically. Now select a folder where you want the shortcut to live. You can place it in a project folder inside My Drive or in a shared drive your team uses, depending on your access. Pick a spot that matches how you think about the work so you'll find it quickly later. You'll see a small arrow icon on the file name once the shortcut is in place. This is how Drive indicates it's not a full copy. Finally, click Add to confirm. Your shortcut is created instantly. To use it, go to the folder you selected and open the item as you would any other file. Remember, permissions are inherited from the original, so you can only do what the owner allows. You can rename the shortcut to fit your folder naming style without changing the original file's title. That's it. Your shared file is now exactly where you need it, without clutter or duplicates.